I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come to and digits. I pull it with a lemon. Not cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic. And this ain't a scrimmage.
Hey daddies, so welcome back to another video. And today's video is going to be on how to start a YouTube channel. I know I'm not a big YouTuber right now, but I'm just giving you some pointers on how I started my YouTube channel and what I feel like can be very useful to you guys. So number one, to how to start a YouTube channel. The first thing to do is to create a channel. Common sense. Create your own channel. Number two, the second thing is to figure out what type of content that you want to display on your channel. It doesn't have to be anything specific. I didn't want to put myself in one category of videos to do. I wanted to do multiple videos that were different, and I want to see which one that people are more gravitated towards. So just be more open to options with videos that you want to do. So don't be too specific with the videos, because you want to target a lot of different audiences. So don't put yourself in one category when starting out a YouTube channel. The third thing, create a banner. So basically your banner is your header for your channel. You can include your social medias, you can include the days that you upload, and etc. So please put up a banner. And also you want to include a headshot. I think a headshot is most important because you want people to know who you are. So a headshot is professional, just like how I'm taking this video. Your headshot for your profile picture should be just like this. But that's just my preference. The fourth thing, record your video. That's kind of self-explanatory, is to record a video. You do not have to have any fancy equipment, because I started with the iPhone. I think most YouTubers have started out with using their iPhone, so that's like the most important thing you should use is your phone. Use what you have. If you don't have a phone, use a laptop. If you don't have a laptop, use an iPad. But I'm pretty sure most people do have a phone, so use your phone to record your videos. Number 5 is to use editing software. And what I mean by editing software is to edit your videos. So if you do mess up with your videos, which I do kind of a lot, and you wouldn't even know it, but I do mess up quite a bit with my videos, because sometimes, talking to a camera, you can't really think. So really, you gotta jot down what you want to talk about, and you don't want to have your videos too long, so you need an editing software. And now I'm going to piggyback from number 4, which was record with your phone. Number 5, I'm piggybacking off of it. So basically the editing software that you need is basically on your phone. So if you do have an iPhone, you can use iMovie, which I still use to this day. Even though I do not record on my phone no longer. I have a camera now. So yeah, but you can use iMovie or whatever editing software that your phone does have, if your phone comes with it. But preferably iPhones come with iMovie, so that is really good. So there's no reason why you can't, edit your videos when you have the editing software right there. Number 6. Now I feel like this is a really, really vital piece. Like, this is really, really important. Is to have a clean background. That is one of my pet peeves when I see videos and people's backgrounds look messy or cluttered. I feel like this is a beautiful background. This is my bed. And I am currently at school, so this is my background. This is how it is. It don't have to be white. It don't have to be like all neat, but I feel like it should look at least presentable to be recorded with. So please have a nice background, because you don't want people to think less of you. And I think having a good background really helps the quality of your videos. So please have a great background. Like, it don't have to be spectacular. It don't have to be like that with little sequence in the back. Just have a great background to record with. Number 7, put out quality content. Now I say this, I don't want to say this the wrong way, but putting out quality content is very, very, very important. You don't want anybody to come across your video and feel like your video is pointless, or the camera quality sucks. You just really want great content that I feel like will be entertaining to people, or something that is entertaining to people, it's interesting, it's important, it's informational, something that is going to grab people's attention. Do not put out videos just to put it out, and do not put out crappy videos. I don't do that, and that's probably why you haven't seen me in a while, because I don't want to put out anything that's not perfect to me in my eyes. So do not put out anything that's not perfected, that you don't feel like is perfected. Make sure you perfect your art and your craft. So I feel like you should really make sure that you put out good content. Number 8. Now this is really important when it comes to people when they first try to do a YouTube channel. And I know I kind of like struggle with this, but I feel like this is very important. Do not, and I stress this, do not focus on the views, and do not focus on your subscribers, because that is the last thing you need to focus on. I know a lot of people nowadays, they want to make YouTube channels because of money. Like, come on now, no. YouTube is a hobby. If you don't love it, then you're not going to have fun and you're not going to make money. So you need to make sure this is something that you really want to do. Do not focus on the subscribers, because that, your mind, that's all you're going to think about is the subscribers and the views. When you're having fun, you don't even think about that, and you really progress. So if you want to really progress with this, do not focus on the views or the subscribers. Number 9, you have to have a schedule. You need to figure out what days you're going to record and what days you're going to edit your videos. You need a good schedule to figure out when you want to do these things. You have to have a good schedule. I know it comes with school and working, but you have to fit that in somehow, or you're really not going to grow. And I know I have not been sticking to that, because we all, we all live life and we all go through things, and sometimes you just don't have time. But this is like a time commitment thing. You have to dedicate a lot of time to this. And if you don't have time, then you're really not going to progress. So please have a set day to schedule, just have a set schedule to record and a day to edit your videos. And number 10, be consistent. That is like the main thing. All YouTubers are going to tell you that. You need to be consistent with your videos. If you're not uploading, then you're not going to grow. And some of you YouTubers are really going to tell you this. Some of the biggest YouTubers are going to tell you, you need to be committed to this.
But I know you need to get done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less.